Greetings, YouTube, and welcome. I'd like to welcome you to my channel. I'd like to start the video out with a dedication. This video is dedicated to the Mountain Princess, my good friend. I love you, Lisa. I know you're watching, so just eat it up. This video is all dedicated to you. I'd like to go ahead and move on. If you don't like my videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. Tell me why you don't like my videos. I'm flexible. I'll go ahead and see if I can change something, make you like it a little bit better. I want to do the unboxing and a shout out. I'd like to shout out to Scalpy Drones, who sent out a package for me. It was a envelope. It had eyes in it. Evidently, I won a contest there. It was an eyes contest, and he sent them over to me by way of letter. It's been a long time now since I've got a letter, and well, that's what you see there. There's a letter from Scalpy Drones he sent over to me. It had his business card in it. Let me see here. Yeah, there's his business card. It also had a set of eyes that I now have on my bugs. You'll see the thumbnail at the front of the video. And he sent over a smaller pair of eyes that I actually put on my little helicopter that'll fly around. Thank you, Scalpy Drones. I really appreciate it. You'll see I also got a package from Wish. I found these blades for the Bugs 3. I think they were like $5 or $6 including shipping. It took about 2.5 weeks to get here, but there you see it. I was glad to see a letter from old Scalpy Drones. I'm going to try to get him a letter in the mail, and I hope you enjoy this. Again, thank you, Scalpy Drones, for the eyeballs. The old Bugs 3, she'll wear them with pride. I do promise you that. Now, I'd like to go ahead and say another word to my subscribers, Drone Worship Dan, Scalpy Drones, Lisa over there at Mountain Princess, JD Quad, Michael McReynolds, Raymond Millwood, Lewis Rossman. He don't watch my videos, but I want to holler at him anyway. I love his videos. Y'all go check him out. He's got some pretty cool stuff. He's quite hilarious. There's the Bugs 3. Now that she's got new props on her and all set up, dressed out, ready for rehearsal. She's got her lights hooked to her. She's got a hot battery in her, but there she is. I did run her into a quad killer, and it didn't really do anything to the prop. It just put a white mark on it. I was really surprised, really surprised. Quite pleased with the way this bug flies. Everyone should have a Bugs 3, I think. They're just absolutely amazing. I intend on flying this evening. I don't know if I'll have anybody here to help me film it, and so you can see me fly at nighttime. But nevertheless, we do appreciate you coming by. Go ahead and leave me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever one. Comment, like, subscribe, and we thank you for coming by. This is the Silver Top Flyer, signing off.